Making progress in anybody's life is what everybody desires. I mean, this is a new year and we are supposed to make progress in our life. In our video for today, we're going to be looking at how to make progress in 2025. 4 ways to make progress this year, 2025. Now, the first way we're going to be looking at is to evaluate your 2024. Yes, you're going to look at what worked in the year 2024, what did not work in the year 2024, and then what you are going to do this year 2025. So you see, in making progress in life, you have to evaluate yourself. Take for instance, in my own case, I have to look at how I made videos in the year 2024. I mean, I did not make my videos in batches. See, there's a need for someone to make videos in batches. Why do you need to do that? Well, if you have videos that are on ground, there might be times that you might not feel well or you have work to do. I myself, I have a 9 to 5 work. I'm a mother and I'm a wife. So you see, my hand is already choked up. Now, if I don't do a video every week, I will be running at lateness. So you see, I need to have videos on ground. I need to record videos on ground so that I have an extra in case I will not be able to chance to produce a video within. We're going to be looking at how to plan your year in 2025. That is, if you have not planned your year already. So you see, there's a need for you to plan your year this year, 2025. How do you go about planning your year? You have to look at different aspects of your life. Yes, you have to look at your work or your career life. Yes, you're going to look at your business life. Yes, you're going to be looking at your family life. Yes, you're going to look at your retirement plan. Yes, you know that you're not going to be working forever. One day you're going to retire, and so you see, you need to have a plan for your retirement. You're also going to look at how you take care of yourself, how you protect yourself within the year. I mean, will you have insurance for yourself? Will you have insurance for your property? Will you have insurance for your businesses? So you see, there's a need to have a cover for yourself this year, 2025. The third way to make progress in 2025 is knowing how to create system. Yes, we're looking at how to create system this year. You see, we need systems in our life because systems guide us, systems direct us, and systems help us to make progress. You see, in your business this year, in your workplace this year, create system. Now, what system are we going to create? A system like automation is very, very important. You see, you need to automate all your finances. Why do you need to automate your finances? Well, you need to automate your finances because when you automate your money, it will help you to save faster. Yes, it will help you to save towards those investments that you are interested. Take for instance, you want to buy a house or buy a plot of land this year. You see, automating your system, automating your finance will help you to save at a faster rate. Another system that you need to create this year is the system of emergency fund. Yes, what is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is your 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So if you are spending 100,000 naira every month, or you are spending $1,000 every year, you see, you need an emergency fund. If you are spending $1,000 every month, you need between $3,000 to $6,000, which can be used as your emergency fund. And if you are spending $100,000 every month, then you need at least $600,000 saved as your emergency fund. Why do you need an emergency fund? You need an emergency fund because occurrences will come. Yes, you can have sudden accident. We're not praying for accident, or you might have a roof that is leaking, you see, and it needs replacement, you see, or even a sickness or ailments that might come and it will need admission in the hospital. Well, if you don't have emergency for store somewhere, where are you going to get the money? So you see, you need an emergency fund. For me, I'm still a worker. Yes, so I'm still working. I work my 9 to 5, you see. So I save my emergency for cooperative society in the office, whereby every month our salary is being deducted directly from source. So the money doesn't come to us, it goes directly to the cooperative society, and they're saving that money for us. So you see, it makes it easy for us to save. So you see, you need to join such a cooperative society or an organization if you are a business person. Another system that you need to create is a system that protects you, a system that covers you in case of challenges or problems. You see, so you see, you need an insurance. You need to protect yourself, you need to protect your family, you need to protect your businesses, because life does happen, people. And if such an occurrence happens to you, where are you going to? Take for instance, if it's your business that maybe a flood wipes it away, we're not praying for a flood or a fire disaster or anything, then where are you going to start from? So you see, you need to protect yourself through insurance in order for you to progress if there's anything that happens, just in case this year 2025 brings about a disaster or anything. We're not praying. Remember that period that COVID came in. I mean, so many businesses were wiped away. So we're not praying for such a time again, but you need to have an insurance for protecting your businesses or life. The fourth way to make progress this year 2025 is by taking action. We are looking at how to take action this year 2025. You see, you need to take action. You need to move. You need to progress. I mean, staying in one place will not benefit you. So there will be need for you to take action. How do you take action? Well, you take action by reviewing your work, by reviewing your life, by reviewing your businesses, by reviewing your finances every week if it's possible, or every month, or every quarterly. Yes, it's only by reviewing what you have on ground that you will see the progress you have made, that you will see where you are lagging behind, and you will see where to put in more energy in order for you to progress this year. So take an instant. If you tell yourself that this year 2025 you need to make progress towards your retirement plan, then you need to start saving. How do you go about saving? You need, first of all, to track your expenses, to know how much you spend in a month, and then you will know how much you can afford to save. So you see, now, if you do this, that's, you track your expenses, you know how much you're spending, and then you know how much you can afford to save towards your retirement, then you know that you are taking action. The next one will be then for you to start saving. Yes, you can automate it. You know, as I said before, you automate your finances. Now, you automate your retirement saving. And your retirement saving is supposed to be your 10 to 20% of your income. So you see, if, take for instance, your income is 100,000 in a month, your 10% will be 10,000 or 20,000 naira if you are in Nigeria. So you see, you need to be saving at least 15 to 20,000 naira every month towards your retirement. So you see, if you start saving that amount of money, then you are taking action, and you will see that you progress this year. So you see, in this year 2025, we are not going to lag behind. No, we need to evaluate our lives to see what is working and what is not working. Yes, that's evaluate our year 2024. Yes, we need to plan our progress. Yes, we need to plan our progress. We need to create system, and then we need to take action. So you see, if you are able to do that, then you are sure that you are making progress, and you will make progress this year 2025. Until I come your way, please like and subscribe to our Life Plan Tips channel, where we talk about creating wealth on your way to your financial freedom.